Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful flower earring. I have got a request to make these flowers, so let's get started. So I am using a 1.75 millimeter crochet hook for my project and a 3-ply cotton yarn. It is a thin yarn. So to start, make a slip knot with this yarn, and then we would start making chains for the project with the help of crochet hook. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, and then chain 6. So after 6 chains we would make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. So make a slip stitch into this first chain and make a ring, and now we would work into this ring. So make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, and now we would make double crochet 3 together. So wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. So pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then again wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops, again wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops. Pull the yarn through 2 loops. So now total of 4 loops are here on our crochet hook. So pull the yarn through all 4 loops together. So this is double crochet 3 together. So now make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, and after that go into this ring and make a slip stitch into it. So the first petal is ready. For the second one, again we would make 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then again wrap the yarn, go into the ring and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and again make an unfinished double crochet and pull the yarn through 2 loops. Now again we have 4 loops on our hook. So pull the yarn through all 4 loops together and then make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3 again, and go into this ring and make a slip stitch into it. So this is our second petal, and now again make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, and pull the yarn through 2 loops now. Then wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the ring and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops again wrap the yarn, go into the ring and draw a loop and pull the yarn through 2 loops, and then pull the yarn through all 4 loops together and make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3. Go into the ring and make a slip stitch into this ring. So 3 petals are ready. Now make a space by pulling them a little bit and make the other 2 petals in the same ring also. So I have made other 2 petals. Now we would start working into this chain 3 space. So make a single crochet into this chain 3. This is single crochet 1. Now make single crochet 2 into the chain 3 and then make a single crochet 3 into this chain 3. So after that make a single crochet add the double crochet 2 together stitch right here, and then we would make a single crochet, chain 2 and a single crochet into this first chain of the chain 3. So make a single crochet, then make 2 chains, chain 1 and then chain 2, and go into this same chain 1 again and make a single crochet into it. So this is the corner of our leaf. Now we have chain 2 right here. So in this chain 2 we would make a single crochet 3 times, single crochet 1, single crochet 2 and then single crochet 3. After these 3 single crochet stitches, we would make a slip stitch right into this hole of ring. So the first petal is ready. Now for the second one, again we would work into this chain 3 space. So make single crochet 1, then single crochet 2, single crochet 1, it's a little bit difficult to work into this chain 3 first. So make single crochet 1, single crochet 2 and then single crochet 3 into this chain 3. After that make a single crochet in this double crochet together stitch. After that make a single crochet into the chain 3 first chain, then make 2 chains, chain 1 and then chain 2, and go into the same chain which is the first chain in the chain 3 and then make a single crochet into this chain. After that into this chain 2 space make a single crochet 1, then single crochet 2 and the last one is single crochet 3. So after that again we would make a slip stitch into this hole of ring. So make a slip stitch right here. So this is our second petal. Now for the third one we would again repeat the process and we would make 3 single crochet stitches into this first chain 3, and after 3 single crochet stitches again we would make a single crochet at the top of double crochet 3 together, and then we would make a single crochet into the first chain of chain 3, then we would make 2 chains and make a single crochet again into this first chain, then again make 3 single crochet stitches into the chain 2 space of 3 chains, and make a slip stitch into this hole of ring. So in this way complete the other 2 petals also. So I have completed the other 2 petals. Now in the last make a slip stitch into this hole and then draw a loop, pull the yarn and take 7 to 8 inches long yarn tail to add bead. So now with the help of this yarn tail add bead in the center with the help of needle. So I have joined this bead. Now we would join our earring hook with the help of 2 jump rings we would use 2 jump rings. So I have got these from this jewelry box, which is having different types of jewelry ornaments. So first of all, unclose this magic ring and then go at the top of petal in the chain 2 space which we have made, and then close this jump ring. Your earring will be at the right place by using 2 jump rings. So use 2 jump rings together. Now again attach the second jump ring into the first one and then attach the earring hook to this jump ring and close it with the help of fingers. Because these are light, so it can be adjusted with the help of fingers. So now the earrings are ready. So if you like these earrings and you want more tutorials on earrings, then let me know in the comments. I will make some other tutorials on earrings also. So do subscribe to my channel if you are crochet lover, and press the bell icon and then all option to get notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.